an example of contest. I am good at cooking, so I entered a cooking contest. He won money in the painting contest for being the best. So now we'll go on to our story review questions. Question 1. What animal was mean to everyone? Is it bear, lion, or snake? Remember to pause and answer on your worksheet. Question 2. What did they do to stop the mean animal? They made an advertisement to find someone. They ignored the mean animal. They drove the mean animal away. Which of these animals did not come before the rabbit? A moose, a tiger, a llama. Question 4. What was the first contest the rabbit won? Cooking contest, a marshmallow eating contest, or a painting contest? Question 5. The lion left after he lost the first contest. True or false? Is that true or false? All right. So for your homework this week, you're going to help the animals. You're going to create an advertisement to help them find someone to scare the lion away. So you're going to draw a picture, write at least one sentence to caption your picture that will help them find someone to scare the lion away. So here is my example. I drew a scary picture of the lion, then I wrote wanted. Please help us scare away a mean lion. You must be strong and brave to defeat him. Call Baboon for information. And then I put a phone number. So here is my advertisement. Remember, an advertisement that is looking for someone. So maybe write about what you want the person or animal to do, maybe what they should be, and how they can contact to scare the lion away. All right, that's all I have for this week. Don't forget to finish your worksheet, and we will continue the story next week. I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye!